email. Okay, so the first thing is you want to avoid anything that a big mainstream brand would do. One example that always comes to mind for me is Old Navy, because I just hate the way they do email marketing. I hate everything about it. It's absolutely terrible. It's fine for them if you're going to just pump a bunch of money to, getting people onto your list and just churn and burn through your list. Yeah. And you're selling cheap junk. Yeah. Okay. But we're talking about something completely different here. So we're talking about a business that has affluent customers where I'm assuming you're selling high quality products or services, and that the people you're selling to care way more about the quality than they do about price, because that's how affluent customers are. So anything that Old Navy would do, anything that any of these big mainstream brands like that, these big mass market brands would do, don't do anything like that. So that means don't use copy that has a lot of urgency. Don't use exclamation points in your subject lines. Don't mention anything about prices or value or sales and discounts, none of that kind of stuff.